Hello everyone and welcome. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through how to locate your favorites list on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, please remember to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. First, open the Instagram app and log into your account. Next, go to your profile by tapping on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once on your profile, look at the top right corner for the 3 horizontal lines, which open the menu. Tap on these lines to access your menu options. Now, in the menu that appears, scroll until you find an option labeled Favorites. Once you see it, tap to continue. Your complete favorites list will now be displayed. If you wish to remove someone from your favorites, just tap on the Remove option next to their name. You've successfully accessed your favorites list on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, please remember to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.